In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hide formulas in Google Sheets so you can keep your spreadsheet clean and prevent others from easily viewing or editing your calculations. Start by opening your Google Sheet and looking at the top menu. Click on View, then hover over Show in the drop-down menu. From there, you'll see an option called Formula Bar. If it's checked, that means formulas are currently visible. Click on Formula Bar to uncheck it. As soon as you do this, the formula bar at the top will disappear, hiding the formulas from plain view. This makes your sheet look cleaner and helps reduce the chance of someone accidentally editing your formulas. However, keep in mind this method only hides formulas visually. Anyone with editing access can turn the formula bar back on. If you want stronger protection, you can take it a step further by protecting the cells that contain formulas. To do this, select the cells with formulas, go to Data, and choose Protect Sheets and Ranges. Then set permissions so only you can edit them. This way, even if someone can see the formula, they won't be able to change it. And that's it. You now know how to hide formulas in Google Sheets and protect your work for a cleaner and more secure spreadsheet experience.